A resident in Wuhan relayed a message she heard from a volunteer on WeChat. Volunteers provide help to neighbors, patients, and medical staff when needed and have access to more information than others.
Just now, my friend's mother called to tell me that as a volunteer helping people in many different places and doing various chores, she just said goodbye to a medical team who came to support Hubei from outside. They are now going back to their home city, and she spoke to them before they left. She said the purpose of her call was to warn me not to go out. The risk outside is too severe. She said, first, avoid all public transportation, including buses and the subway. This risk outside is more dangerous now than when all communities were under strict lockdown. She told me there are newly confirmed patients at hospitals every day. Some patients even carry 2 types of the CCP virus. These doctors said we should not go out unless it's necessary. When we have to go out, we must take more strict preventative measures than before. She then asked the doctors who are from Shanghai, why are they leaving Wuhan before the epidemic is wiped out? They said they came to offer help during the most challenging time when there was a severe shortage of medics in Wuhan. Now they need to return to Shanghai. When asked if there is still a shortage of medics in Wuhan, they said medical staff in Wuhan are working long hours and they are all burnt out. It remains a daunting task for the medics in Wuhan. They told her the virus is too ferocious. There are many symptomless carriers and many confirmed cases. Presently, diagnosis, isolation, and treatment are all paid for by the patient himself. Previously, during the most challenging time, the authorities would pay the cost. Now, every expense is on your own. Now, people in financial difficulties don't seek treatment or diagnosis, yet they hang around and spread the virus further. So the current situation is severe. Let's continue to stay at home and shop online. She asked the doctors why the authorities have stopped reporting new cases when there are new cases of infection identified in hospitals every day. They told her that the authorities believe the current outbreak is under control, so they don't report the real figures. Precisely because of that, many people have let down their guard. There are many asymptomatic carriers around. Some were identified when they returned to work and underwent the coronavirus test. The situation is terrifying. My friend's mother told me that her daughter always covers herself head to toe with a protective suit when she goes out. But she wishes she could wear 2 layers of gloves. She feels more fearful now than before.